going to be doing a makeup tutorial. So we're going to need some blush.
And eyeshadow.
I don't know where I got this blush from.
And eyeshadow.
Yes, and this blush, my sister. We're going to use that blush. And we also got this body glitter. So let's get started. Wait, one thing. And these craft sticks. And one of them is for my sister. So let's get started. Okay, like we can only be like for 10 minutes.
Can you hurry?
Yes, hurry. Okay, now we're done with the blush. We're going to move on to our
Eyeshadow.
Yes. Since this brush is already used, I'm going to use a craft stick.
And what can I use?
This craft stick.
Oh, I already used this craft stick.
This craft stick?
Yeah.
Like we don't have time to get anything else.
Yeah. So we have to
we're going to wait. I'm not sure how much color we're going to use. We're going to use this and we're going to use this natural color.
The white, the water one, like the wider one.
Yes.
Wait, that one.
Now that's done. I'm going to be using a different color. I need you to go very, very quick to get something to wipe all of this off, or like for me to duck down. So I'll wait for my sister. Yes, I can use the eyeshadow. I'm just going to use for my sister. Wait. I'm just going to use this other side. Body glitter. I'm just going to use a different color in our crease.
Look at me. Okay, look at me.
That's why it means move everything. Like, see how gently I put my makeup on?
I'm smooth.
Okay, now we're done with that.
Look at me now. Look.
Yeah. How about you? Kira, you still look all like. Look at yourself. Kira, you look like a monster. You just make you like put everything on gently, like I did, like lightly and gently. Now look
at me. Now look at me. Now look at me.
Okay, you just wipe your eyeshadow off. Okay, but let's get to it.
Okay, dude. Last but not least.
No, we need to do our creeps.
What's a creep?
A creep is like the other half of your eyes. Okay, now since you just closed it, I need to open it all over again, which is wasting our time.
My sister.
My sister's going to be back with her wig and her costume, and then actually we don't have time, so we're just going to do it right now. So make sure to comment and subscribe and